Out here with the hens. Gonna give them some more water. I did their feed. Now I'm doing the cleaning. Hey, chickies. Hey, cornflakes. These two have been arguing. You know what? I made you a bed too. Here you go. Come on. You can get that corner. Yeah. You like to fight for this corner. That's a good girl. Alright, I'll be back out in a bit to get y'all's eggs, okay? Unless you already got some. You already got some? You're sitting on a whole pile of them, girl. No, you... I know it. But you ain't gonna do nothing with them. See, they think they're gonna sit on them the whole time. But then we wait and let them sit for a while. Then the eggs are too warm when they get off them. So then the eggs spoil. I got my 6 eggs. I just took one inside, so that makes 7 for today. I'm gonna leave Mama's alone. Hey, Cookie. Here you go, chickies. See you on the next one.